Want to learn how to become an influencer online using YouTube? Watch this. Alright guys, it's your man Earl Batman Stringer, and in this video I'm going to share with you a few tips on how to become an influencer using YouTube. Guys, this day and age, anytime you're trying to market anything, one of the best things to do is use video. And where's the place that most people watch videos at? YouTube. And if you want to become an influencer, you want to use YouTube to the best of your ability, because this is a great place to build a following and show people what you do and what you know. All right, so the keys are consistency is the top, number one tip in my opinion, because people need to see you on a regular basis. Whatever niche you're involved in, it doesn't matter if you're make money online, if you're dog training, if you're how to play basketball, fitness, whatever it may be, you want to show people that that's what you do and that's what you know. So on YouTube, try to create videos and upload them on a consistent basis. Just starting out, I would recommend at least one video a week. I'm sorry, I was about to say a month. You don't want to do once a month, because that's just pretty much wasting your time unless your video is just fantastic and goes viral, right? At least start uploading content once a week. If you can get to the point where you're doing 3 to 5 videos a week based around, your in your niche, that will be very, very beneficial to you and would actually fast track, your success. All right. The second thing you want to really focus on is engaging titles. All right. You want to use keywords that people are searching for, phrases that people are looking for on YouTube, but put really cool adjectives and verbs around those keyword phrases. So instead of just putting how to train your dog, put something like exciting new way to train your dog in 24 hours. You want to be enticing and creative with your videos, with your video titles. Also, side note to that, make sure your description have a couple paragraphs talking about the video. How I usually do it is basically just write a summary about what I'm talking about, and that will give me a paragraph or two when doing that. The third and final tip, or fourth, I don't know how many damn tips it is use your thumbnails. Now, before, I would always just kind of like ignore that, but I think it really do help just to create some eye-popping thumbnails for your videos. With that being said, to me, all you need to do is just use colors, use bright colors, because this damn background dark as hell, but I'll put like a yellow or blue, little text bar, and use bright words for this thumbnail, and it will pop out when people are scrolling down YouTube searches and stuff like that, and they see your videos. So do that. It will be very helpful, guys. But this is a great way to become an influencer, because the more content you show and the more knowledge you put out there using video, the more people are going to look at you and be like, oh, he know what the hell he talking about, right? And that's what you want. That's what you want. And it'll be a natural thing to become an influencer. People will listen to you. Long as you just, halfway saying something that makes sense and that's beneficial to the viewer, you'll be good to go, guys. So consistency, engaging titles, and eye-popping thumbnails, right? Get on that. Now, piece of software that I use for actually finding out what people are searching for on YouTube and to see what my competition is, because obviously you want to outrank, other people in your niches, right? I use Traffic Extractor. Very, very cool piece of software, guys. You could just use it, once, twice a week. Get you all of your keyword phrases that you want to do videos on. Put those verbs and adjectives to them phrases, and you'll never run out of video content. Never. All right. So if you want to check out Traffic Extractor, you already know, link is in the description. It'll take you directly there. You can check it out. Like I said, when you get it, use it. You only need to use it a couple times a week just to give you those ideas, and it will do wonders for you. And you actually see your competition, and you can just dominate your niche. So that's something you could check out. Also, as far as thumbnails, I use PicMonkey. A lot of people use all kinds of different services, but I've been using PicMonkey for years, and I got the upgraded version, but you don't need that. You can use the free version or whatever software you use to create whatever graphics, but PicMonkey is super easy to use. So I also put a link in the description to that. And I mean, guys, we're in a time where you can become an influencer. You can do whatever you want to do. So hopefully this video helped you out. Be sure to comment, share, and subscribe. Till the next time. Peace. Hey, thanks for watching this video. I just got 3 quick questions for you. 1, if you had the opportunity to make a passive income month after month, would you? 2, if you can work whenever you want, from wherever you want, would you? And the 3rd question is, if you could have your own business in a billion-dollar industry, would you? If you answered yes to any of these questions, click the link in the description, and I'll talk to you soon.